Hello guys, today I'm unboxing brand new JBL Flip 6. Let's see what are the inside. They shows 12 hours of playtime, waterproof and dustproof JBL party boost. Let's see. Superb covering. Let's see. Bold sound for every adventure. Flip 6. Oh wow, this is the speaker. It's some heavy. There is no another parts of this. Let's see what is in this box inside. How is it open? Yes, okay. Quick start guide. See, in very of the language. This is the amazing. This is the instruction. Flip 6 start guide. What is in the box? With cable and speaker, Bluetooth pairing, play, party boost, app, how to charging, waterproof and dustproof details, under 30 minutes, under 1 meter for 30 minutes hours. We can put under the water. There are some instructions, charging instruction. Okay. This is the, I think there is nothing. Self instruction and warranty card. This is the product registration by several languages. Let's see. Another thing. This is the okay. This is no, there is nothing. This is the charging cable. Let's see. JBL Flip 6. On button, Bluetooth pairing button, not USB charging port. Some heavy. This is heavy. This is the PC cable. JBL. Let's work nicely. Warranty card, some instruction, guidelines, box, and this is the cover box. Okay, thank you for see the next video. Thank you all.